So hi guys, this is GS from Nautilus, and today we have a little bit of different. So back in the day when I started my channel, I reviewed true wireless earbuds. Those, I forgot the name of it. I'll try to link the video in description and on the iCard. Right, so at that time I was using more towards Samsung Level U, right? But over the time I've used a lot of wireless headphones from Sony's, right, Sennheiser 4.40 BT, alright, and SteelSeries Arctis. I've used that, and a lot of different headphones. But in recent videos, you might have seen in one vlog I was wearing Apple AirPods, right, which are presently here, right, which is like good, but there's one minor fault in that: battery. The battery is the main concern for me because usually I'm on bike, right, and I wear this on my bike. I know it's dangerous, and I will not recommend anybody doing it. Just that, I sort of like driving with music in my ear. That's why I have this. I had these, alright. But now, in last couple of videos, if you may have seen it, I have been more towards these headphones. These are Oneplus Bullets, the wireless one, with Type C, 8 to 10 hour battery backup, more on that later, and with that awesome things that come with these headphones. Alright, stay tuned. So, OnePlus Bullets. I've used a lot of headphones like over ear, on ear, in ear. Alright, normal earpod style, Apple sort of thing. Right, I was using some of the wired ones also. There was one SteelSeries model I forgot. My wife broke it, so there was that. And right now I have a wired one, Audio-Technica. Right, you might have seen a glimpse of it in my setup, just behind. And right now there's a Sony wired headphone that's hanging over there. So I've used a lot of headphones, and the main drive I have with the headphones or earphones is that if it's wireless, then there is no battery, there is no bass, there is like a long charging time, right? And if I find all this, then that will be wired because it's wired. Right, your cell phone's DAC is actually using, all the power and powering the headphones or earphones. I've even had that Samsung S8's HHE's earphones. Yeah, those were good, but a little less on the bassy side. So these ones, I've used it for like past. I wanna say 4 to 5 months now. Prior to that I had AirPods, prior to that I had another Level U, and headphones I had like over-ear headphones I had like quite some. So for the last 4 to 5 months these have been my my go-to earphones. I'm just gonna say them Bill. Sorry if I offend someone, but yeah. These are awesome. The single point of Type C, you can like use it for continuous of 8 hours. I have actually literally used it for approximate 7.5 hours, 45 minutes. And to charge it up, it's just a matter of like 10 minutes. With 10 minutes, you can get it for like 4 to 5 hours, as stated in the website also. Alright. But that's with the normal 5 volt 2 amp charge. I have a Pixel, so that comes with Pixel comes the quick charger. So I use that to charge it, and in just like, I don't know, 30 minutes at most, I get like white light over here stating that yes, it's full charged. So the main reason I am making this video is sort of like a down the line review that how long have they stood up. Initially it wasn't available in India. Right now it's available in Amazon. I'll try to link all the links for purchasing in the bio, right? And AirPods, you can get it, but those are expensive. Those are like 12,000 rupees. Sorry, not dollars. Those are like 12,000 rupees and $159. On the other hand, these one are like 3,990. I bought it for. Bought this thing. And ever since I bought it, I haven't left this at home for a single day. With my Pixel, it shows how much battery I am having in it. Right, it does support aptX HD headphones. Kodak for wireless audio. Right, you latch it up, it's disconnected. The moment you separate it, it will be connected to the cell phone. And as my secondary daily driver, I have Moto Z Play, and I only listen to songs from that. I have Amazon Music, SoundCloud, Spotify on it. So yeah, these are actually been like very good. No disconnection issue, no like nothing like that. It's like pure connection with high quality. Now, with that, there comes some drawbacks with it too. The wire, first of all, is a little bit longer for me. And it's flexible, although I like that part, but then again, it's really like not that comfortable. Like when it's sitting on the neck, it's not that comfortable. Like with the Level U, it just goes around. It's hard. It just goes around it. Sennheiser ones, they're like overhead, but Still Candy ain't. They also just go around here, and it's just like a snug fit. You see this one, you can't properly feel it. That one is like more bulky one, so there's that. But with the AirPods, the best thing I was getting is that I don't have to take care of any wire. 3.5 hours of charge on it on single charge. It can go for like 3.5 hours, and with the battery, like if I plunge it back in this for I don't know 10 minutes, I get another an hour 15 minutes. Yeah, there was that, but then again, price difference of these two and the sound quality is huge. Connection point, everything. So in the end, conclusion time, I'm guessing this is now. So what I would like to say, if you have money and if you have an iPhone and you have you're into Apple ecosystem, because AirPods comes with one really good thing, that is like if you have an iPhone, an iPad and a MacBook and presumably iMac Pro or iMac, they all get synced through your iCloud, and if you connect to one thing, it will be automatically connected. It will be in the devices and other things also. With these are like, I won't say these are like usual Pixel buds. I am still not able to get that properly. Like I've seen it, but I want to buy it, but I don't see the point of it. I'm not sure about the price. I'll try to link that also in the description. But this one, the Oneplus Bullets, I will say if you're on a budget and if you want just wireless earbuds, alright, these are perfect. Your battery backup, nice bass, comes with earbuds plus other things also. These are good with Type-C, because most of the things today are Type-C. I have Pixel XL and Moto Z Play, both are Type-C. I don't have any problem with it. Alright. The only thing Type-C I don't have is this thing and the iPad. That's that. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.